Morning, guys. It is a Tuesday morning, July 14th, and I'm out walking here at Lake Champlain. Do my morning walk. If you're new to the channel, I'm Trucker John, and thanks for tuning in. Alright, so we're we're walking in Plattsburgh, right by Lake Champlain, and we're right at 2 miles. We're on our way back to the truck. We got about 1.25 miles to go. Not too hot out this morning, but it sure is humid. I'm sweating like a dog. I guess dogs don't sweat, but I'm sweating. Yeah, I got into Plattsburgh last night about a little after midnight, so can't start our day till 10 o'clock. It's about 8:45 right now. Yeah, right in this area right here, I've seen a couple of foxes a few times now. Yeah, I saw them on the way through earlier, but didn't have my camera out. I haven't been able to catch them on camera so far. Yeah, so we did 3.24 miles. Just a little bit over an hour, and we're back at the truck now. I'm going to check things out here, then I'm going to get in, get cleaned up, and we're going to head for the ferry so we can get over to Waterbury. Alright guys, it is raining here in Waterbury. We're just getting our drop and hook done. It's a steady rain, not real heavy, but it's enough to get you wet, so I put on my raincoat. Alright. Yeah, we'll leave that door open for now because we got to sweep this thing out. Alright, got to get my broom and sweep the trailer. We got to scan in our paperwork, and we'll be about ready to leave, I guess. Alright, well, now that we're all done, it stopped raining just now. That's how it works though, usually, right? Alrighty guys, we're back in Fulton. It is 7:30 p.m., 76 degrees. Let's see, and nowhere to put an empty, and it's crowded. Let's see. Alrighty guys, we are all hooked up to our loaded trailer already. Yeah, we got to finish up this pre-trip. I pulled it up a little so I can get to the back because it was right up against the rocks here behind me. Yeah, it looks good. It's a new trailer. It's only got about 16,000 miles on it. Yeah, looks okay. Alright, so it's 12:45 a.m. I made it into Plattsburgh. I'm all done for the day, parked here, getting ready to go to bed. Yeah, I'm pretty tired tonight. You know, it seemed like it was a longer day than usual today. I mean, they're usually long days, but it was kind of a really long one today for some reason. Anyway, I do appreciate you guys riding along with me. Don't forget to subscribe and give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. All right, everybody, take care. Bye for now.